All right. Hello, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do a second special video. The first one was on the alternate K10 deep fryer. Actually, works really good. Can't stop cooking on it. So hopefully you guys see the videos. Is a good option if you like cooking. But today we're gonna do a different video. So today we're gonna do a special on these vacuums. Okay. So I brought this vacuum, the Visual Power Max. Actually, it does a great job. There's only one difference about it. It does not deep wash your carpet, so I had to take another option and buy this one over here. So I just went over to Walmart and I just checked it out, and I bought the Hoover Dual Max Pet. Even though I do not have dogs or cats, but we do have to clean these carpets. As you know, carpets can be very expensive when it comes to cleaning. So we're gonna unbox it real quick. We're gonna assemble it and we're gonna test it out to see how it works. Okay, guys. So keep on watching. So let's unbox this baby. There we go. I try to use this just in case, you know, some people like to use a knife, but sometimes it can damage the inside. So we're gonna unbox it real quick. Then move this down to the sideways, a little bit more down this way. There you go. So okay, so it comes with its own first deep clean neutralizer. So first test to run over here. Comes with the handle. There you go. Oh, cool. So we got a small one for, I'm guessing these are for the furnitures. Put this aside. The instructions, guys, very important to how to assemble it. Has a hanger. We're gonna find out later on if this is what it's for. Okay, so put this over here. All right, so I see. Okay, so there we go. Oh, everything's like as you can see, everything's like a clip-on.
Round one. Fight!
Oh God, that made me sweat. There's over in the corner. Right more inside. Okay, so this is where the water goes and the liquid. Guys, as you can see, these are the component parts to it. So in a minute, we're gonna assemble it. Hello, so we're back again. Now we're gonna do the assembly part, okay? We took out the box, we placed the parts here. We do have the instructions here. So we're just gonna follow the instruction real quick and let's assemble it, okay? Let's go. So first we're gonna take this part over here. We're gonna put it in here until it makes it click. There you go, you heard that click? Then we're gonna take this second piece, which is gonna be this piece over here, and we're gonna place it over here. So you're gonna push it down. Goes one. You have another clip right there. So this is, you see how it's fast? It's one, like two sides. Not easy, it's very easy. And then we're gonna take this part over here, and we're gonna like slip it down. There you go. That's there is to it. Does not do no click, doesn't do, it just says place it down, align the tank, firmly press into place, and that's it. So you're just gonna bring it down. So it should be like halfway sealed up in the inside. And this is where you're gonna put your water, okay guys? So you take this out, you take it to and fill it up. We're gonna do that in a minute, okay? So that was easy enough. Got the power cord. And this, guys, and this goes right in here, guys. So eventually, this should go inside. Oh, this way. You're gonna go like this. You attach the other part to it, which is gonna be this part. Attach this to it over here. And there you go. So that's more than one function. So if you have pets and you think this is an option for you, hey, just go and buy it. Hello, so we're back again. So it's gonna be the second part. So we're gonna test the new Hoover dual power tax mat to see if it works and if it's functional. So we're gonna clear out the small part of the kitchen over here. We're gonna take out the appliances and just go and do it. So time to work. So now we got a small cleaner space to deal with, to work with. So we're gonna get the machine. We're gonna fill it up. And let's go to work. Alright guys, so we took everything out. So before you start cleaning, you wanna make sure the area is clean, has no dirt on it. So we're gonna use the regular one. The one that I told you before, so I got the Power Race Power Force Helix. It works just good, so we're gonna pass it to make sure any debris, any dirt's out before we use the other one, okay? So. We get our first clean. Now we're gonna use the other one. So we filled it up, the water 1 gallon. So like I said, this is my favorite one. So this is the one I used so far. It's my first time using it. Hopefully it's gonna be my favorite one. So I just bought from Bisel the OxyClean and Refresh from Febreze. So it actually cleans at the same time. It gets an odor to the carpet, so it'll be a good choice. So we have to mix it up. Once you put it here, you're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put it on the machine. Okay, guys? Well, guys, so as you can see, we already got this filled up. So we're gonna place it over here. We're gonna place it inside. So it's supposed to be nice and tight. There you go. Make sure that's nice and tight. So it should be in place. This is the way it should look. So we're gonna start. Make sure you have cables out of the way. Make sure you have cables in the way while you're doing this. So we're gonna do it on this side. We're gonna unleash it and This is the difference. This is the clean water, the icy. Look how dirty it is on the bottom. Just to let you know, this carpet hasn't been cleaned in 2 years, and you know the apartment. So we have the air conditioning and all that, throwing out dirt. Even though I don't walk with it with shoes, we always and we don't have a lot of people coming in here, but eventually it's gonna get dirty. So I'm gonna clean it 2 or 3 times to make sure it's nice and clean. So in your house, you'll decide if you're gonna clean it 1 or 2 times. So guys, thank you. This is the way it looks. So this is the clean side, and this you see over here on the opposite side, it's nice and dark. So I only gave it 2 times. I gave it 2 hands. So I want to make sure it dries up. So I bought this product from NASCO. It's an Explorer. It has 6 positions. You can buy this in Walmart too. So hey, this is gonna help y'all dry it up more faster. So guys, thank you for being with me. Remember to subscribe, hit like, share. Alright, so right now we're in the final stage, so this it's already dry. I already used this. This is OxyClean Extra Strength Carpet Order and Eliminator. I added this just in case. I just like the smell of it, so it makes the carpet smell much more cleaner, and it actually helps it clean up whatever debris is left. Okay, guys, so I already put it on, so we're gonna take it out with the regular. Well guys, as you can see, this is the way it's gonna look after you finish. So thanks for watching. Thank you.